Okay, let's dunk that roller. Roll it around a couple times. Put it in the middle. There you go. Look at you guys got this. You girls got this. Bring it over a little bit. Medium pressure, light pressure. Go back over our work now. Dunk that roller. Push it in. Bring it up to your palette. Spin it around. Get some paint on it. Put it right up there. Keep your eye on the roller at all times. Therefore, you will not hit the ceiling. There you go. Go over your work very lightly. You guys got this. You girls got this. You're becoming master painters. Right, dunk that roller, bring it up onto the palette, spin it around. Your roller halfway up. Keep your eye on the roller. Over a little bit, all the way up. Let's go back over your work very lightly to blend it all in. Dunk your roller halfway, all the way up. Keep your eye on the roller. Dunk that roller. Go over your work lightly. Kneel down, kneel up. We're gonna go this way. Keep your eye on the roller, and we're gonna go that way, and we're gonna bring it down a little. And now you're gonna go over your work lightly. Blend all that stuff in. Dunk your roller. Go sideways. Go over your work lightly and blend that all in. Dunk your roller. Go over your work lightly, blend all that stuff in. Okay, we're gonna move on now. Okay, let's push it up here. Start in the middle, go all the way up. Keep your eye on the roller. Go over a little bit, all the way up. Go back over your work. We wanna make sure we blend everything in. Dunk your roller. Start in the middle, keep your eye on the roller. Make sure you don't whack the ceiling that way. If you keep your eye on the roller, you'll never hit the ceiling. Very good. Let's do that small piece. Just want to blend it all in. There you go. Perfect. You want to make sure it's covered. I'm just utilizing what's on the roller. All right, let's blend this in up and down now. We applied the product. You want to go up and down. Get rid of any imperfections. There you go. Dunk your roller. Go sideways. There you go. You guys got this. You girls got this. See how simple that is? Go over your work.